Yes, a pop-up drink stand can absolutely be successful at farmers markets as long as you pick the right product, the right market, and price it in a way that covers your costs while still feeling like a fair deal to shoppers. Here's the part most people never think about. Farmers markets are not really about convenience, they are about connection, so the stands that do best are the ones that tell a story while they pour. Instead of just selling lemonade or cold brew, successful vendors talk about where their ingredients come from. Maybe a local honey farm or a small batch coffee roaster nearby. This turns a simple drink into an experience, and people are willing to pay more for an experience than for just a beverage. Another little-known trick is that repeat customers come from consistency of schedule, not just good taste, so showing up at the same spot every single week trains people to expect you and plan their visit around you. Many new vendors also forget that farmers markets are slower in the first hour and busiest in the middle, so pacing your prep and staffing around that rhythm can save you a lot of wasted product and stress. One common mistake is underpricing because the vendor feels awkward charging market prices, but the fix is simple. Look at what similar specialty drinks cost in your area and price close to that from day one. Another issue is not having a permit or health approval sorted out before market day, so always check with your local health department weeks in advance instead of days. A less obvious caution is flavor fatigue, where customers get bored if your menu never changes, so rotating in one new seasonal drink every few weeks keeps people curious and coming back. If you enjoyed this, check out our online directories in the description below.